had a crazy ass night last night. Fucking went to a party, had some fucking Bacardi. This dude was fucking tripping, so me and my fucking homeboy fucked his ass up, broke his fucking nose. I think I broke his fucking nose. No, I think it was Padilla. Fucked his ass up, had him asking for some help. I said, shut the fuck up. He said, please sir, stop fucking assaulting me. I don't give a fuck, bitch. I'm fucking getting hoes and money, everything I fucking want on this fucking earth. Fucking birth, bitch. I fucking stuck my fist in your ass and then you begged me for some cash. Louis B. and I fucking broke his nose. Left him broke off like a motherfucking hoe. He asked me for some help. He said quit insulting me. I said shut up bitch. This ain't fucking battery. No it ain't, cause nobody can hear you scream. I don't give a fuck bitch. This ain't no theme. No motherfucking theme park. You ain't getting help. That motherfucking bitch, yeah, he asked for some help. I broke his ass off like a motherfucking cowboy. You fucking faggot ass bitch. Ask some fucking wild boys. Nah, bitch, you can suck on my dick. Beat your ass up. Leave you retarded. I don't give a fuck, bitch. You ain't getting guarded. You fucking dumb bitch. Drink some fucking more. You stupid dumb bitch, and your girl is a whore. She slept with my friend, and I don't give a fuck. He probably fucked her, yeah, he probably fucked her in her butt. Fucking, racing through the neighborhoods, 100 miles. I don't give a fuck, bitch. You can call Kyle Busch. Like that fucking NASCAR, motherfucking NASCAR in the fucking Madagascar. And I don't give a fuck like Skeezy. This is Players Time, motherfucking Beezy. I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't give a fuck, bitch. I'm just playing. No?